This story is a poignant account of a daughter. It's a story about the daughter and who goes in search of her mother's belonging after the war. After the war, who just went to search her belongings, अपना सामान ढूंढने के लिए, because it was kept one of her mother's friend. And when she finds them, she the objects evoke memory of her earlier life. And when she finds them, when she was in between, when she visited second time Mrs. Dorling house, Mrs. Dorling was not at home. Mrs. Dorling घर पे नहीं थी, and at that time she was in the midst of this all the objects or all the belongings of which belongs to them. जो उनकी belongings थी, जो उनके items थे, वो उनके पास में. She was in the midst and she was not feeling comfortable there, because and that's why she wanted to forget the address now, because she did not want to collect that item, because these items they will certainly attach to the past memory of her mother. Okay, let's start. When she went there first time, जब वो पहली बार उसके first time she visited Mrs. Dorling house, and there was a conversation, दोनों के बाद में conversation है. Do you still know me? I asked. मैंने पूछा भाई क्या आप मुझे जानते हो? Actually narrator and the Mrs. Dorling से पूछे. The woman looked at me searchingly and she searchingly that she wanted to recollect something, कुछ याद करने की कोशिश कर रही है. And she asked, उसने उसकी तरफ देखा. She had opened the door a chink. Chink means a very short opening. थोड़ा सा short खुला था उसने, narrow opening. It was not completely, door was not completely open. Completely नहीं open किया था. I came closer. मैं उसके नजदीक गई. Stood on the steps, और steps पर खड़ी हो गई. No, I don't know you. The Mrs. Dorling told. Mrs. Dorling ने she replied in negation. उसने negative answer दिया that I don't know. I am Mrs. S daughter. Mrs. S narrator's mother, or you can say the writer's mother. उस writer की mother थी ये, and she is known as Mrs. S here. कि मैं Mrs. S की daughter हूँ. She held her hand on the door and she just was obstructing from inside anything. मतलब she did not want or she did not allow her to see anything in the house. घर में कोई भी चीज उसको देखने नहीं दे रही थी. Just she opened the door in a very narrow passage. बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा उसने वो किया था, दरवाजा खोला था. She held as she wanted to prevent it opening further. मतलब दरवाजे को ऐसे पकड़ लिया. She did not want that it should open further. उससे ज्यादा वो खुले ना. Her face gave absolutely no sign of recognition. There was no reflection. Such emotions were not there that she had recognized her. तो पहचान लिया है, इस तरह के किसी भी इमोशन नहीं थे. And she kept staring at me in silence. चुपचाप she kept staring, watching intently. ध्यान से देखना, उसको ध्यान से देखती रही. Perhaps I was mistaken, I thought. Now the narrator thought that she might have made a mistake. She might have come to the incorrect address, wrong address. शायद वो गलत एड्रेस पर आ गई है. That's why she did not recognize. उसने उसको recognize नहीं किया. Perhaps it was not her. और शायद वो मिसेस डॉर्लिंग नहीं हो सकती और उस मदर की फ्रेंड नहीं हो सकती. I had seen her only once. और उसने केवल उसको एक बार ही देखा था. Fleetingly means just for a short period, just a glimpse, एक सिर्फ झलक सी देखी थी. And that was years ago, and that was also many years past. काफी सालों बीत गई थी. It was most probable that I had rung the wrong bell. Means I had rung the wrong bell. गलत bell बजा दी. It means she thought that she had come to the incorrect address. शायद वो गलत एड्रेस पर आ गई है. The woman let go of the door and stepped to a side. The woman let go of the door. डोर से जाने दिया and stepped to a side. थोड़ी सी साइड हो गई. Means she moved aside. And she was wearing my mother's cardigan. When she saw that woman, जब उसने उस woman को देखा, earlier she was not visible. Actually, she was standing just behind the door. दरवाजे के सामने खड़ी थी. But she little bit came closer. जो उसके नजदीक आई. When she saw that she was wearing the same cardigan, और cardigan उसकी mother का cardigan पहने हुए. And the woman was wearing my mother's cardigan, green knitted cardigan, जो green color का cardigan था. And the wooden button were rather pale from washing. उसके जो wooden button थे they became pale, पीले पड़ गए थे because of washing and continuous washing. And she saw that I was looking at the cardigan. Now the Mrs. Darling also realized that she was looking at the cardigan, कि वो उस cardigan को देख रही थी, and half hid herself again behind the door. फिर उसने अपने आप को पीछे डोर के पीछे छिपा लिया. Again he hid behind the door, behind the door. But I knew, but I knew now that I was right. But she was now sure that she was right. How there can be a question: how did she come to know that she has come to the right address? Because earlier she realized that she had come to the wrong address. उसको शायद गलत एड्रेस पर आ गई थी. But now she realized, अब उसको realize हुआ that she has come to the right address. कैसे? When she saw the Mrs. Darling was wearing the green knitted cardigan of her mother. उसकी mother का जो green knitted cardigan था that she was wearing, and from there and the color that button they were pale because of the washing and all. And now she was sure that she has come to the right address. अब उसको पक्का विश्वास था that right address पर आ गई. Well, you knew my mother, I asked. मैंने उसने कहा, okay, you may not be knowing me, but certainly you knew my mother. आप मेरी mother को जानती थी. Have you come back? Said the woman. उसने कहा कि आप वापस आ गए. It means she has recollected the memory. She recognized now. Yes, what is the matter? And I thought that no one had come back. मैंने सोचा कोई भी नहीं आया. Why did she say this sentence? Because after that she started wearing, she started using the articles as her own. उसके अपने articles जो belongings थी that she started using as her own. अपना मान करने को सोचने लगी थी. She thought that after a while no one would. लड़ाई के बाद कोई भी नहीं आएगा after this war. Okay. Let's see the participants. Any 14. Okay, little bit better condition. 14. Okay, no one would come. No one had come back. Only me. उसने कहा केवल मैं ही आई हूँ. Means she wanted to tell that my mother is no more in this world. मेरी mother इस दुनिया में नहीं है. But still, she told. Okay. A door opened and closed in the behind her. उसके पीछे in the passage, in a passage रास्ते में गलियारे में, a door opened and closed. एक दरवाजा खुला और closed. Again it was closed. A musty smell emerged. Musty smell, something stale and all. कोई चीज बासी, उसकी smell. I regret I cannot do anything. I want to talk to you for a moment. थोड़ी देर के लिए मैं just for a moment I want to talk to you. आपके लिए थोड़ी देर के लिए मैं बात करना. It's not convenient for me, said the woman. Woman, it's not convenient to me. मेरे लिए ये of the woman was not absolutely was not right. Because instead of if anyone has come after from very far long by train and all, and she wanted, and she came to know that she was the daughter of her friends, she must have called her inside, offered her at least seat and water. शायद उसको पानी में बैठाना तो जरूरी था. Okay, that was not good. It was a just insult, or it was not a behavior shown by the woman. उसने and she nodded, and she nodded with a just neck. She nodded. उसने गर्दन हिलाई. Cautiously closed the door. और दरवाजा बंद कर दिया. As though no one inside the house should be disturbed. Means no one should see her. कोई उसको देखे ना. No one should be disturbed in the house. घर में कोई disturb ना. I stood where I was on the steps पर वो खड़ी रही for some time, for some moment, and the curtain in front of the bay window moved. और उसकी bay window means it was a big window, large window. It moved. Someone stared at me. Means someone tried to watch from the see from the window. खिड़की से देखने किसी ने कोशिश की. Would often then have asked what I wanted. और शायद that particular person might have asked Mrs. Darling what she wanted, what I wanted, मैं क्या चाहती थी. oh nothing, the woman would have said, और उसने कहा होगा शायद nothing, just a stranger, कोई अजनबी था, and it was nothing, कोई भी नहीं. I looked at the nameplate again. Now she looked at the nameplate. Darling, it said, means it was written on the nameplate, Darling, and in black letters on the white, and on the black letter it was written on white base. White base था उसका, and in the black ink it was written. And on the jam, yes, and on the jam, और जो jam door post, जो door post पे a bit higher, उससे थोड़ा सा higher, the number, it was written address, nameplate rather you can say number 46. इसका मतलब it was number 46, and the house owner of the house, Mrs. Dorley. And as I walked slowly back to the station, means now she started, because the door was closed, there was no other way except to leave that place. वो छोड़ने के लिए और कोई चारा नहीं था, and she started moving towards the station. Station की तरफ. I thought about my mother. अब she was thinking about the mother, and who had given me the address years ago. जिसने उसको address दिया था years ago. It had been in the first half of the war. First half of the war. First part of the war. It was there, and I was
कौन बता रही हो? हेलो रामवीर सर.
and she, yes,
ठीक है सर, आवाज चली गई थी आपकी.
okay. This is all because of net system. Okay, and she just she had a bit higher, it was number. She walked back to the station पर जाने लगी. I thought about my mother. मैंने अपनी mother के बारे में सोचा. Who had given me the address years ago? जिसने सालों पहले address दिया था. And it had been in the first half of the war. Means the first half था war का, वो शुरू हो रहा था. And I was home, and it struck me immediately. Immediately it struck me, means I change in the room. Room में जो change थी. What was the change? Some of the article had been taken by Mrs. Dorling. Mrs. Dorling ने कुछ articles, कुछ items, कुछ belongings, and she had taken. वो ले जा चुकी. That something or other about the room had been changed. I missed various things. उसने काफी चीजें जो वहाँ थी वो missing. And my mother was surprised. And at this, because of the keen observation, there can be a question: why did her mother surprised? Because she was surprised to see the keen observation of her daughter. उसकी daughter ने very keenly observed the things, and I should have noticed so quickly. मतलब she was surprised that she has noticed everything so quickly. इतनी जल्दी उसने सारी चीजें समझ ली हैं. Then she told me about Mrs. Dorling. तब उसने Mrs. Dorling के बारे में बताया. I had never heard of her, but apparently मैंने कभी उसके बारे में नहीं सुना था. But apparently she was an old acquaintance of my mother. Apparently, clearly, she was an old acquaintance. Acquaintance known, उसकी जान पहचान. Of mother, whom she had seen for years. जिसने whom she hadn't seen for years. उसने काफी सालों से वो मिली नहीं थी. And she had suddenly turned up, or she came one day and renewed their contact. Contact का मतलब they came to know, they came closer. Earlier there was a long gap हो गया था. And since then she had come regularly. और उसके बाद वो regular नहीं लगी. Means she used to come regularly. They renewed their contact or relationship. अपने जो संबंध थे उन्होंने दोबारा थे. They refreshed their relationship. अपने relationship refresh कर. Every time she leaves here, she takes something home with her. जब भी वो said my mother, उसकी mother ने कहा whenever she come here and leaves, she carry some articles, कुछ item ले जाती है. She took all the table silver in one go. Table silver एक ही बार में वो ले. And then antique plates and antique plate. Antique means all old time. Got a very emotional value for it. किसी के लिए जो emotional value, पुरानी चीजें हैं. And hung there. She had trouble lugging those large vases. Large vases, lugging, actually lugging means carrying. Means she had to take a pain उसको काफी कष्ट हो रहा है to carry all these things, ये चीजें ले जाने में. And I'm worried she got a crick in her back. And sometimes crick means one sort of pain. उसमें कोई pain ना हो जाए उसकी back में. And from the crockery means whatever the crockery items she carried, and she was fearing that she must have something in the back. उसकी back में कोई pain ना. My mother shook her head pityingly. मेरी mother ने shook her head pityingly, showing pity on that woman. उस पर दया दिखाते हुए कहा. I would never have dared ask her. मैंने कभी भी उससे हिम्मत नहीं. She suggested it to me to herself. मैं उसको शायद कभी नहीं कहती ऐसा करने के लिए, but she suggested herself. उसने अपने आप ही suggest किया था. And she even insisted. उसने pressurize किया that she wanted to save all my nice things. She told that you are all the things, nice things, memorable things, all valuable things that will be safe with me. मेरे साथ safe होंगे, मेरे साथ safe होंगी. If we have to leave here, we shall lose everything, she says. Because if we have to leave here, अगर हम यहाँ से चले जाएंगे because of the war, anytime the area can be evacuated. वो area उसका खाली करवाया जा सकता था. If they have to go, they can't carry each and every item. हर कोई item नहीं ले जा सकते. It means the things will be lying here. That's why she tried to keep all those belongings अपने friend के पास में रखना. And have you agreed with her that she should keep everything? क्या आप agree थे मतलब she should keep everything, वो सारी चीजें अपनी रख लेगी. She should keep everything. और हर कोई चीज रख लेगी. As if that is necessary, my mother cried. And I asked. तो उसकी मदर ने पूछा क्या ये जरूरी था कहना भाई मुझे I don't feel in the friendship I should say that after the war will you be able to give it back. क्या आप हमें वापस दे दोगे ये सारी after the war. That is not necessary to ask in a friendship and all. Mother cried. And it would be simply be an insult to talk like that. It will be a matter of insult for the relation that we are having. हमारे जो relation है उनके लिए it will be a great insult. काफी insult होगी. And think about the risk she is running. और किस तरह का risk she is running, किस तरह का risk वो उठा रही है. Bearing the load with her. And each time she goes out of the door with a full suitcase or bag. Full suitcase or bag means heavy load she is carrying every time. हर टाइम वो एक हैवी लोड लेके जाती है. हर टाइम वो एक हैवी लोड लेके जाती है. Okay? My mother seems to notice that I was not entirely convinced. At that, mother noticed that she was not convinced. It means the author, narrator, she was not convinced. वो convinced नहीं हुई थी that she has started carrying all the valuable items with her, and she looked at me reprovingly after that. Know more about it. थोड़ा सा reprovingly में asking some questions. क्वेश्चन पूछने की जिज्ञासा की तरफ है. एंड आफ्टर दैट देयर वाज नो डिस्कशन ओवर दिस. और इसके बाद वहां पर कोई भी डिस्कशन इसके ऊपर नहीं. Meanwhile, I had arrived at the station. Means she was just lost in all these thoughts. ये विचारों में वो डूबी हुई थी. And she came to the station without knowing from where she had passed. कि कहाँ से वो गुजर के आई थी. She was not aware because it was the same known place. इसके लिए जानी पहचानी जगह थी वो. From where she was moving after a long time after the war. काफी समय के बाद वो वार के बाद वो जा रही थी उस रास्ते से from same road and all. But she was lost in thought. वो अपने विचारों में खो गई थी. Meanwhile, I had arrived at the station without having paid much attention to the things on the way. रास्ते में जो चीजें थी उनकी तरफ बिना ज्यादा ध्यान दिए she had arrived at the station. वो स्टेशन पर पहुंच गई थी. I was walking in a familiar places, familiar again, known places, acquaintances, and again for the first time since the war. लड़ाई के बाद पहली बार she was walking in the same known area. But I did not want to go further. और इससे ज्यादा मतलब जानना नहीं चाहती थी. That was necessary. जो ज्यादा necessary था उससे ज्यादा वो जानना नहीं चाहती थी उसके बारे में. Means in the thoughts and I did not want to upset myself. मैं अपने आप को उदास नहीं करना चाहती थी. Means she did not want to go further in the memory. उस यादगार में with the sight of the street and houses full of memories from the precious time, very valuable time. Very valuable time. She is talking about the time when her mother was alive. when they were living in the same house, जब वो उस घर में रह रहे थे, her mother was alive at that time. She did not want to learn the
Luce preferită acolo.
Yes. Dinesh sir,
हाँ जी सर।
हाँ जी sir, disturbance is going on. What is this?
वेट सर, वेट अभी कर रहा हूँ सर।
Who
हेलो
is trying to talk? हाँ जी sir,
उदय सिंह। चलो सर स्टार्ट करो सर आप, मैं रिमूव
हाँ
करता हूँ सर।
Okay. So she did not want to go further in that in the memory. उस याद में वो दोबारा नहीं जाना चाहती थी, because it was attached to the memory of her mothers and all, and it was a very precious, बहुत ही precious time था when her mother was alive, जब उसकी mother alive थी, and she did not want to go further. She did not want to become sad because it is all full of emotions, and she was having towards her mother. I did not want to upset myself. वो अपने आप को उदास नहीं करना चाहती थी with the sight of street and houses. जो भी street और she straightway lost in thought and reached the station. वो स्टेशन पर पहुंच गई थी अपने विचारों में खोई हुई. Further, and even she did not come to know from where she had passed. कैसे वो वहाँ पर आ गई. In the train back, I saw Mrs. Dorling in front of me again. Mrs. Dorling को she realized actually in mind, अपने दिमाग में उसने फिर दोबारा Mrs. Dorling को अपने सामने पाया. As I had the first time I met her, जैसे मैं उसके पहली बार जब मिली थी. पहली बार, when did she meet her first time? When she came home during the war time. It was the pre half of the war, so it was just half of the war. In between it was, and it was the morning after the day my mother had told me about. और वो morning थी जब उसकी mother ने उसको बताया था. I had got up late. उस दिन वो late उठी थी and coming downstairs, नीचे stairs पे आ रही थी. Actually at that time only she observed that. She saw just back of Mrs. Dorling. Mrs. Dorling की उसने बैग ली. I saw my mother about to see someone out. मैंने देखा मेरी mother किसी को see off कर रही थी. And a woman with a broad back. A woman with a broad back. She was very fat. थोड़ा सा मोटी woman. And this is my daughter, said my mother. उसकी mother ने कहा, this is my daughter. ये मेरी daughter है. And she beckoned to me, calling. She called to me. मुझे बुलाया. The woman nodded and picked up the suitcase under the coat rack. The woman nodded, just saying answer in affirmatively by moving the neck. गर्दन हिलाकर yes में answer देना. And picked up the suitcase, and she picked up the suitcase under the coat rack. कोट के अंदर से उसने पकड़ लिया. She wore a brown coat, वो एक brown coat थी, and a shapeless hat. और एक shapeless hat, मतलब hat it was not a correct shape. अच्छी shape की hat नहीं. Does she live far away? Now she started remembering what was the conversation on that day. उस दिन किस तरह की conversation थी. And does she live far away? क्या वो दूर रहती है? I asked. Seeing the difficulty she had going out of the house with the heavy case, with the heavy box and all, she was going out, and that's why I thought the difficulty of the woman. उस woman की difficulty को सोचते हुए, she asked that was she living far? कि वो क्या दूर रह रही है? In Marconi Street, said my mother. उसकी mother ने कहा, she lives in Marconi Street. Marconi Street में रह रही है. Number 46. Remember that. तो आपको याद रखना चाहिए. Number 46. Remember that. ये it was a number 46. Time to go there, लेकिन उसने काफी time लगा, because first of all after the war she was sad because her mother was no more. She expired during the war. लड़ाई के time में उसकी mother she died. And
हेलो रमेश सर।
yes, हाँ जी सर.
सर आपकी वीडियो नहीं आ रही है।
नहीं आ रही?
नहीं सर।
अरे कब से? अभी नहीं आ रही या पहले से नहीं आ रही?
अभी हुए सर।
Okay, I think time is also about to be over. You can. अभी आ रही है? इसमें भी नेट
नहीं सर अभी नहीं। चलो सर आप कंटिन्यू करो। हाँ अब आ गई सर, अब आ गई।
आ गई?
हाँ सर आ गया।
एक बार ऑफ करके ऑन करूँ नहीं दोबारा? नो
नहीं ठीक है आप स्टार्ट कीजिए सर, कंटिन्यू करो।
Okay, okay. I had remembered it. मुझे याद था, but I had waited for a long time to go there. Means that address and all she remembered. उसको याद आ गया था. She waited for a long time. Means after the war they came back. जब वो वापस she came back actually not they because her mother died. उसकी mother को expire हो चुकी थी. And initially after the liberation means freedom, we came. I was absolutely not interested in all that stored stuff. All that stored stuff means all the item which her mother's friends had taken, whatever the items she had taken, she was not at all interested in that. उसमें ज़्यादा interested नहीं थी. There can be a question why she was not at all interested, because all these materials, all these belongings had a certainly emotional attachment with the mother who was no more in this world. जो अभी इस दुनिया में नहीं थी, उसके साथ उसके emotional attachment थे, and she did not want to be in the same emotions throughout the life. इसलिए वो that's why it took in so much time when she accepted the law of the nature, because that is after all it is must for everyone. और किसी के लिए she accepted and then she decided to find out the articles. और तब उसने वो articles और the belongings whatever she had left with the Mrs. Dorling, she tried to discover, she tried to find out. उसने try किया. It was absolutely not interested in all the store and stuff. Naturally, it was also rather afraid to it. Means she was afraid to face that article because again they got the emotional attachment with her mother. उसकी mother के साथ उसके emotional attachment थे. Afraid of being confronted with the things that belong to the connection with no longer existed. No longer existed means that who is no longer in this world. Only थी that her mother, उसकी mother, because all these articles belong and which were hidden away in the cupboards and boxes and waiting in vain until they were put in back in their proper place again. Or they were, मतलब she thought that these all articles might have been in the boxes and packed and needs again to be reopened and put it in the right place. ठीक जगह पर उनको दोबारा फिर खोल कर लगाने की जरूरत. She did not think at all that Mrs. Dorling might have started using होगी उन्होंने, because they were things, और क्योंकि वो चीजें थी. Yes, students, let's see how many students are there. Participant finally 17. Good. This time including 17. Okay, +1. Yes, students, you can unmute the students, sir, for time being, for 1 or 2 minutes, 5 minutes if they want. Yes, students. Dinesh sir, you can unmute the students.
सर सब स्टूडेंट्स अनम्यूट हैं.
Yes, unmute the student. If they want to ask anything, they can ask. Okay, Chirag.
Yes, sir.
You want to ask anything regarding this chapter or the previous?
No, sir.
Have you understood? Sound was clear? Sound आ रही है
सर
आपको?
बीच में कट भी रही थी थोड़ी बहुत, फिर भी आ गया समझ.
ठीक समझ में आ गया था. Okay, still anything, maybe a net problem. This can be. Okay, Mayank, who is that? Mayank. Yes, Mayank. Anyone? Siddharth, you want to ask anything? Next,
No,
I
sir.
think Palak, have you understood? Chapter, Palak. Try to answer. I think you are unmute. You can speak. Yes, anyone? Once. From commerce.
No.
You want to ask anything?
No, sir.
Okay. Have you understood the chapter? समझ में आ गया था chapter?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about sound? There was some problem. There,
थोड़ी बहुत दिक्कत क्या आ रही थी सर?
that may be
साउंड नहीं आ रही आपकी।
साउंड नहीं आ रही।
yes. Let me see. No, sound is not coming. Yes,
कमी
अभी आ रही है. Actually, it is sometime it happens. I think maybe because of the net problem. But still, if you want to ask anything, you can ask. अगर कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ लो बेटा. Yes. Otherwise, we'll wind up the meeting for the day. Yes. Any question? Any queries? Students, try to answer. Okay, Dinesh sir,
हाँ जी सर.
you can wind up the meeting. Stop recording.
Okay.